Okay, Combat Gaming here. I'm gonna unbox Star Wars Outlaws. Just got this at Walmart. I want to get this for my Nintendo Switch 2. I'll open this up, see what's in this. In the game case, I know there's a game card key. That's awesome. Yeah, this is made in Japan. Yeah, all the stuff is. That's good. All the Nintendo Switch games are made there. There's nothing in there. Oh, there's just this one thing. I'm not going to show you that code key in the back. Just claim your pre-order bonus by November 2nd. Okay, I'll definitely get it. Kessel Runner bonus pack. Raid. Go something, yeah. Okay, I'm going to do that. And that's awesome. I'm going to do that. And, exclusive extended case journey, 2 story packs. Okay, exclusive mission plus additional costumes. Okay, that's awesome. All right, I'm gonna put this on my Nintendo Switch and I'm gonna play it and do all the stuff I need to do. And yeah. And this is gold edition and came to $90 with the tax, but Canadian with the tax, but that's okay. It still was cheaper than the PS5 version. PS5 version was $100 plus tax, so it would have been $120, and I got this for $90, so better price. And I need more games for my Nintendo Switch too. This is awesome. Well, we're going to go and enjoy this. I love Star Wars, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. That's all me for now. Combat Gamer showing off. Please comment, subscribe button, and may the fourth be with you. That's okay, it's not May 4th, it's September.